Hi, and welcome to my video about the Drayton Digistat Plus 2 RF and how to set it. Many of the Drayton ones and also the British Gas ones are similar, they're just rebatched. So, as you can see, it is Thursday with the arrow pointing to the top here. Each day that arrow moves along, so on Friday the arrow will be below Friday. Down here is the current time, so 5 to 10 in the morning. As you can see, the arrow here is pointing to auto, so this runs according to the program. And this is the current room temperature. The target temperature can be accessed by pressing the plus or the minus button. So the target temperature is 17. It's flashing, so therefore it's the target temperature. The current room temperature is 19. Because the current target temperature is lower than the room temperature, there's no flame light here. So if we set the target temperature to above the room temperature, i.e. 20 degrees, the flame light will show that there's demand for the boiler to increase the room temperature. So if we press the plus button and get it up to 20, the flame should appear. So the target temperature is now 20 and current room temperature is 19, which is lower than the target. And then the flame is shown here, showing that the boiler is firing up, trying to increase the room temperature to 20, and then it should then put itself out when it hits 20. As you can see, there is another arrow here showing the manual sign because I've overridden the set room temperature target of 17. There are 6 periods of time, so you can set time and temperature over 6 periods. To do this, well, first of all, I'll just turn off the demand. So we'll go back to the actual one, which is 17. We're still showing manual. Now if we press this button forwards, the right button twice, we enter the programming stage. So we can choose to program every single day of the week the same. So yes or no. So we'll go yes. So every day of the week at 4 AM, the target temperature is 17. If we want to change the time, the time here is flashing, so you can go down or up. We'll leave it at 4 AM. And then across to the temperature. So at 4 AM, I wanted it at 17 degrees. So if we wanted it at 16, we press the button twice. Or if we wanted it at 18, you press it twice the other way. So I'll put it back to 17. Okay, and then from 4 AM to 6:30 AM, it's 17 degrees. At 6:30 AM, it will continue to be 17 degrees. It can be warmer than that, but if it goes colder than that, the boiler will fire up and maintain a 17 degrees temperature. Okay, and that will happen till noon. Here it is flashing here. 17 degrees. Till 2 PM. At 2 PM, the temperature will then rise to 19 degrees. If it's warmer than 19 degrees, it won't come on. So it's off in the summer. And in the winter, it will probably come on, maintaining a 19-degree minimum temperature. So across to 19, we'll leave it at 19. But if we wanted it to go up or down, we press the minus and the plus button, like that. And then the next time is 3:30, continuing the 19-degree temperature. So across to 19 till 10 o'clock at night. At 10 o'clock at night, the target temperature will drop to 17 degrees, so it's not too hot when I'm asleep. And there we go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out my playlist for more.